My name's Finn. I joined through the Graduate Pathway program where I now look after around 40 people, each with different roles and different responsibilities.
Hi, my name's Yuna. I started my Amazon journey as a student intern, and now after finishing my degree, I joined Amazon permanently as an area manager.
Typical day for me at Amazon is a balance between the technical side of operations and the people side of operations. We've got great processes in terms of handover and communication.
There's a lot to balance at once: performance, safety, communications, and making sure that ultimately the performance and the day runs smoothly.
One thing I really enjoy about the role is upskilling teams and helping people develop in the business. That is the most rewarding part of my job.
What surprised me the most is how quickly you are trusted with responsibility and opportunity to lead a team. I get to understand everyone from different backgrounds and really earn their trust to foster a good teamwork and team culture.
At the start, it can be a little bit daunting working in a performance center at this scale and size. The decisions we make have big impacts. There's so many people here that can help you. You have so many resources at your disposal, and you get better and better at making those fast-paced decisions. That's what I love about this job.
The biggest skills I've developed is bias for actions. At Amazon, we're constantly having changes, and we ensure that we're able to manage those changes and communicate to all departments is a very strong skills I've learned through the support of my team.
If you enjoy problem solving
This is a role where you can develop your leadership skills, take responsibility,
and become a leader from the start of your career.